We're at this hotel, we got some former Kone M series, but they still have the chimes. I think it's this one. I don't know why they put the light directly over it. Look at that. Kone M series chimes, how about that? Sadly, the innards have been replaced. Actually, we'll go to Hall. Funny, that one doesn't have a braille. It's not even the floor with the exit. But the lanterns are on top here. Probably just gonna give us the one we just had. Slam. Oh, that one doesn't have the chime. Boo-hoo. All right, let's go to 4. And the elevators aren't necessarily that interesting themselves. They're just generic Kones. I'm more interested in those chimes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's get both chimes. Oh, sorry. I'm going down, sorry. The down button went out, but... Also, look at this call station. I think I'm pretty sure that's CM. Go back to 7. Let's get that chime. Oh, it doesn't do it. All right, I guess we'll let it close. Also, I think that's the original cab. It's gonna stay open now, really? All right. We'll go in. Yeah, again, like I said, I just want to get more footage of the chime. And it's leaving. I love the custom call station. I think that's probably original. Well, I bet it is. It's got the old logo on it. And the surface elevator is original. It does have the old buttons, but not the chime. Still really cool though. Really does look like Innovation Bruiser. I like how they're all at different pitches. Anyway, no, that will be it. Send it away because I want to get more chime footage, but that will be it. Slam.